Every price comparison you have ever seen was already out of date when it loaded. Same headphones, two countries, prices that move hourly, and every comparison site you know is serving you a cassette snapshot. I build one that goes and looks for you. Hello everyone, my name is Harsh. I am third year BTech student. I built Scrapit. Two things a shopper genuinely can't answer. What does this cost right now in my market? And can I trust who's selling it? Scrapit answers both. Live on every request, nothing cached. Here's the pipeline. A publisher, scrapper, studio collector is the primary extractor. We trigger it, poll for the snapshot, and get structures rows back with type field, not HTML. Every adapter carries its collector ID. Web blocker is the fallback for retailers we haven't built a collector for yet, routed through a residential exit node in the target country. The coverage differs per country and we show it before you search. For India, Amazon; for US, Amazon, Walmart, Newback. So for US, three retailers in parallel each fetch from inside the US. As you can see that we are able to see the results of Amazon and the Newegg, but Walmart web scraper is not working, and we can see that the Amazon is selling the same headset for the cheaper price. And one detail that matters: searching headphones, Surface ear pads at tenth of the price. Unfilter a $9 cushion wins chipset every time. We strip accessories before ranking. So now I'll just split the screen and I'll demonstrate you. So every listed comes out as the same typed record. Canonical name, price, currency, availability, seller, image, source URL. One share contract across all 8 retailers, so adding a ninth is one adapter file. Sites change their markup constantly. 3 defenses. 1. Every collector run is a validate on arrival. A degraded scrape triggers a rerun, and bright data repairs the collector selector server side. So the retry succeeds again the site that just broke. 2. If the collector still fails, we fail through to web unlocker rather than failing the whole comparison. 3. Every outcome is recorded per retailer. So a scrapper that starts returning junk shows up here before it shows up a missing price. And every failure path is a design state with a retry, never a raw stack trace. The second half scores seller authenticity, sentiment, classification, plus Jacquard reputation, detection across the review corpus. The score is deterministic, positive ratio times 60 plus 1 minus reputation times 40. The formula is published inside the app. The model classifier reviews it. It never invents the number, same input, same score every time. 5 country, 8 retailers, structured output, self-filling extraction, and not one cached price. Scrape it is live at scrapeit.netlify.app.